Let us start with the next one. That is question number 27. In the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride solution, which of the half cell reaction will occur at anode? So here they are telling that electrolysis. So they are asking about the concept of electrolysis of sodium chloride. So when it comes to the electrolysis of sodium chloride, we should know the reactions that takes place at cathode terminal and the reaction that takes place at anode terminal. So let us write the reactions. Reaction that take place at anode terminal is chloride in its aqueous phase liberates chlorine gas along with an electron. And when it comes to reaction at cathode terminal, water, which has the tendency to gain electron, to liberate an hydrogen gas along with the formation of an hydroxyl ion. So when we go through with these two equations, the first equation, this is the reaction that taking place at the anode terminal, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 28. The charge required for the reduction of 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 MnO2 is. So here it has been given the conversion as MnO4 minus 2 MnO2. When I check the oxidation state of Mn in this case, Mn has an oxidation number of +7 and in this case Mn has an oxidation number of +4. So to convert +7 to +4, it has to gain 3 electrons. So here 3 farad charge, since 3 electrons are required, 3 farad charge will be required for the reduction, or 3 farad charge will be required to reduce 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 MnO2. Next one, the correct option for this given question is what? Option B, which is given with 3 farad. Next one, question number 29. At a particular temperature, the ratio of molar conductance to specific conductance of 0.01 molar NaCl solution is. So here it has been given with what? Molar conductance. We know that molar conductance is given by lambda m, which is given by the equation kappa into 1000. So this is the symbol for kappa into 1000 divided by m. We know that the molar conductance is given by the unit per ohm centimeter square per mole. This is molar conductance. Divided by what? I'll move kappa this side. Divided by kappa, where the unit of kappa is per ohm per centimeter, which is equal to 1000 divided by m. So here per ohm meter can be cancelled. Therefore, I can rewrite it as what? 1000 divided by what is m here? So in the given equation, the specific conductance of 0.01 molar NaCl. So molarity is how much? 0.01 molar NaCl. Per ohm get cancelled. It is left out with what? Centimeter cube per mole. Therefore, this can be rewritten as how much? 10 to the power of 5 cm cube per mole, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 30. So when it comes to question number 30, it has been given as for a cell involving 2 electron changes, E0 of a cell, they have given that E0 of a cell is equal to how much? That is 0.3 volts. So it has been given as 2 electrons. Then the value of N is how much? It is 2. The equilibrium constant of the reaction is, so they are asking us to calculate equilibrium constant, that is K. So here we know that delta G0 is equal to minus of 2.303 RT into log K. But we know that delta G0 is equal to minus of NF E0 of SL. So if I equate both the equations, if I take both the equations on equating or on replacing delta G0 by minus of NF E0 of SL, both sides minus get cancels. I can write it as NF E naught of a cell is equal to 2.303 RT into log K. We know that 2.303. So already we have studied that 2.303 RT divided by F is equal to 0.0591. Based upon this, I can rewrite the equation as N into E naught of a cell is equal to 2.303 into RT divided by F into log K or log Kc. So this can be replaced by what? 0.0591. Hence, I can rewrite the equation as N into E naught of a cell is equal to 0.0591 into log K or log Kc. This implies log K is equal to N into E naught of a cell divided by 0.0591. So, what is the value of N? Value of N is 2. E naught of a cell is 0.3 divided by 0.0591. Here, this comes out to be 10. When I simplify this comes out to be 10. Hence, the value of K is equal to 10 to the power of 10 upon taking antilog. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option D, which is given by 10 to the power of 10.